Enlighten Home Library Private Limited. It is the fastest growing Indian home entertainment company with more than 100 films, television and non-fiction titles under its label. Now, I request Mr. Anand Patwardhan to take over the session.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you all to join us for the launch of War and Peace. I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. Naseeruddin Shah, to have come here, and of course the director of the film, Anand Patwardhan, to have made this film.
This is something that I've been waiting for a very long time. This film was actually completed in 2002. I began to make it in 1998. It took 4 years to complete, and then in 2002, when it was completed, at that time you'll remember that the BJP government was in power, and although the film did well at the Mumbai International Film Festival, the BJP latched on to the fact that it did not have a censor certificate, because at that time at the Mumbai International Film Festival it didn't require a certificate. They used that fact to block the film. They asked for 6 cuts. I went to the revising committee, and then that committee asked for a complete ban on the film. I again went to another revising committee, and then they asked for 21 cuts. I still went further than that to the appellate tribunal, and finally I went to the High Court of Bombay High Court. A year later, the High Court ruled that the film could be shown without any cuts, and so finally it became legal to show. So this, in a sense, is the first time that the film is being put out in a commercial way on a DVD, although sporadically people have been coming to me and getting copies. So I'm very happy that that it can be launched now through Enlighten Film.
I think it's a great job. I guess that goes without saying that the Enlighten Film Society is doing. Making films available to you, the kind of films which are not easily accessible or easily found. It's a wonderful job. Thank you all for doing this. I must express my appreciation to the Enlighten Film Society.
कि आजकल जैसे टेलीविज़न चैनल्स है, जैसे आप भी हैं, आप शायद अब मैं जो भी कहूँगा आप शायद 2 मिनट का बाइट रखेंगे या 1 मिनट का बाइट रखेंगे. इसमें से लोगों को सोचने की क्षमता बढ़ती नहीं है. मगर आप किसी सब्जेक्ट को सीरियसली टैकल करें और लोगों के सामने रखें तो आम आदमी इसको समझ सकता है. मैंने अपने फिल्मों के साथ भी देखा है और दूसरी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज भी हम दिखाते हैं. डॉक्यूमेंट्री उसी के ऊपर नहीं बना रहा हूँ, मगर उसके पीछे यानी ये सारी समस्याओं पे बना रहा हूँ कि हम किस तरह से हम दूसरों को अपना शत्रु बना देते हैं. यानी एक पूरे कौम को हम कह देते हैं कि तुम लोग सब आतंकवाद हो. अगर हम कहते रहेंगे कि तुम आतंकवाद हो तो उसमें से सही में आतंकवाद बनेंगे कुछ लोग.